Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads for beginners. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and once you're in the Chrome you have to simply type in Google Ads in the search bar. Then here you have to click on enter, and here you can see the page is already loading. Then just choose the first option from here, and here you can see the profile is already showing. Just you have to simply sign in to your own account, or also you can go for the start now if you don't have any account. So just go to the sign in option, and then you will simply see a dashboard like this. Just simply click on the campaigns option from here, and here you will get a lots of options, but make sure this is all the overview. Here you can see the average CPC, impressions, average CPC again. Here is the cost, and all other details in last 30 days is showed for here. This is the important dashboard. Then just simply click on the campaigns option from here in the campaigns option, and then it will simply take you to this page. And after you click on the campaign, here you can see there are lots of campaign that I have done previously, and what I need to do is simply click on the plus icon from here, and here you will get the option of new campaign. Just simply click on the new campaign from here, and once you click on the new campaign, it will simply take you to this page like this. And here you can see that there are lots of options. Here you have to choose your objective. There are sales, leads, website traffic, app promotion, and other things are also available. Then you can just choose any of this from your campaign objective. Then you have to simply close this window. After that, you have to simply put your cursor to the billing option from here, and here you have to simply click on the payment methods from here. And once you click on the payment methods, here you can see that the payment methods is already added to here, and you have to just simply choose one payment method from here, and you can just add payment method as well. Here it will simply cut down your payment according to Google Ads policy. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.